Hi, I'm Maureen Green with Kinlin Grover Real Estate, and we're combining the old with the new at 10 Cedar Lane in South Dennis. Be the first to own this newly constructed home with deeded rights on sparkling Swan Pond. The open concept living space offers seasonal views of the water from oversized windows. You'll find granite counters, stylish white shaker cabinets, and glossy subway tile in the kitchen. 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms are smartly designed. And the composite deck is perfect for enjoying your morning coffee or afternoon cocktails. Can't take my eyes off that water back there from the front yard of 10 Cedar Lane in South Dennis. I'd love to take you through. I'm Maureen Green. Thanks for your time.